Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review on my new men's denim jeans. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them out for you, so let's go and take a look at them. So these will be a little bit more on the baggy side, which I do like. Do have them different colors as well. The front. But alright, so let's go ahead and actually try them on and see how they look. Okay, and this is what the jeans look like when they're actually on. The jeans are made of soft denim, so they're really comfortable to wear any time of the year. They've got a nice feel, not too heavy, but still sturdy enough to last. You can wear them all day without feeling restricted or uncomfortable. The rip design gives it a cool casual look. They've got that laid back style that works if you're into a more relaxed vibe. Whether you're into streetwear or just want something different from plain jeans, these will definitely stand out. The wide leg fit is great because it gives you plenty of room to move, whether you're skating, dancing, or just hanging out. They don't feel too tight or stiff. They got that vintage baggy look that's comfortable and easy to wear. So if you guys are looking for some new denim baggy jeans, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.